Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check all the devices currently logged into your Steam account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and you can see your main Steam dashboard, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on your username to reveal a drop-down menu with several account-related options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Account Details. This option will take you to your main account management page where you can view and modify various settings related to your Steam account. Clicking on Account Details is essential as it gives you access to all your security and session information. Next, you'll see a left panel with different account management categories. In this panel, locate and click on Security and Devices. This section is specifically designed to help you monitor and manage the security of your Steam account, including all active login sessions and authorized devices. Once you're on the Security and Devices page, scroll down until you find the Authorized Devices section. This is where all the important information is displayed. Here, Steam shows you a comprehensive list of all devices that are currently authorized to access your account. This includes PCs, laptops, and Steam Deck devices, as well as mobile sessions from phones or tablets. Each entry will typically show you the device type and when it was last used, giving you a clear overview of where your account is being accessed from. And there you have it. You can now see all the devices that are logged into your Steam account, making it easy to spot any unauthorized access or sessions you no longer need. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.